What is it today?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. And what is inside this? It's a Edie. You want to see what's there? Wow. That's good. Let's take out all the gifts first. Take out others also. Take the other gifts also. What is there inside the other one? Can you take them out, please? No, we don't open them. First, take out all the gifts. Take out all the gifts. Wow, lovely. Okay. What is the other thing?
This.
Very good.
Hello.
There's more?
This.
Wow, what is this?
That's you this.
What is this? Ajwa. This is ajwa. Ajwa, dates. Yummy dates. Okay, wow, we are going to put it back. Now there's another bag. Let's take out that. What is there inside the bag? Oopsie. Wow. Wow, that's a beautiful bed set. There's one more.
There's more.
Wow, lovely. Very nice. What else? Oh. Now let's try opening the gifts. Okay. You want to help us? Okay.
Those are my gifts.
Those are yours? Okay, let's see.
Not
What is
mine.
it? You have to be very careful, okay?
Hello. I open this. I think.
Wow, that's a book.
See, that's my book. That's my book. Hey, that's my book.
Okay. Wow.
My toy book.
That's a storybook. Okay, what else we have? Show me the other book. Wow. Looks good. Okay, what is the other thing? Is that a book also? Yeah, it's a book.
Daddy.
I will help you. You want me to help you?
Oh, no, not open. I am.
Whose is this? Whose book is it? Is it
Mama.
yours? Again yours?
That's
Wow. I think it's a girl book. Yeah, it's a Tata.
No, that's mine.
Okay, it's yours. It's yours. Okay, can you show me which book is it?
That's my book.
That's your book. Wow, 2 books.
Can
Can you show me the other one? Wow, lovely.
That's this big.
Wow, what is this? I think this is for you.
A toy car. I'm guessing it's a toy car.
Wow. No, wait. You don't open it like that. Wow, there's so much.
We open it?
You want to open it?
Yeah.
I will help you.
So I open. So,
How can you do it yourself? You're going to tear it. Wait, I will help you. Let's open it. I'm going to help my dear. Okay. Careful. Wow. Lovely. And there's one more.
moving on. That fish in
3 cars.
Okay.
Which one do you like the most?
This is one.
You like this one the most? Are you happy?
This is go down. Year 10.
Are you happy? Do you like it? Do you like it? Tell me, do you like it?
This.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Which is your favorite one?
This.
Lovely. Oh,
I like it.
you like it?
See?
Okay. Wow, you can open the doors. Very nice.
I open the.
Even for this one,
I open it. Then.
you
This
can
one.
open it. Very nice. What about the third one?
The one. This.
Yeah.
The story was.
Can you open for that one also?
See, I open yeah.
Lovely. Very nice.
Open this. This. Turn this way. Wow. Wow.
Lovely. Okay, put it here. Now show me the other toy that you got. The one that you got yesterday. What is that? Can you close the doors, please? Let's close the doors, okay? So that all three cars can come here. Let's put these here and show me that one. The other toy. Wow, what is this toy?
That's my present.
This is your present. Who gave you this?
Mamu.
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 Do you like Mamu? How much?
49.
49. All right. Okay, now can you tell me how do we play with this?
On it.
You need to switch it on. Okay. You just need to be careful that this. Wow. Where are you taking it? Keep it on the table.
I open it.
Are you to off it? Do you like this one?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
You don't like it?
I
But
like that.
you don't like the light, okay. But you like the toy? It's fun?
It's fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you get Eid, what do you say?
Mama was it easy?
Mama gave you the CD?
Papa made me easy.
Papa also gave you ED? Okay.
Mommy,
And okay, what do you say on...
There. There's bag.
You want me to put it back? Okay, I'll put it back. But I want you to say Eid Mubarak once. Can you say Eid Mubarak?
Either buy it.
Eid Mubarak.
Daddy, I'm going off the... Oh my God.
Wow, this is very pretty.
My mom is cute.
Your mommy is cute? Did your mommy give you this?
Yeah.
You're also very cute. What are you eating? What is this?
My dad.
This is?
I'll pick up my hand.
Not with your hand. You always use your fork. Use your fork. You like it?
I want my hook.
Yeah.
No, I want my hand.
No, you don't use your hand. This is your ED? Your ED? You like it? Do you like it?
He puts my in my nanyas.
You like it? Look at me. Tell me, do you like it?